My name is Christopher James, the Creative Director at Johnston Research and Performance, better known as JRP in Mississauga, Canada. And this is my 2018 Nissan 370z bagged on airlift 3-piece suspension. So at JRP, I manage the social media and content creation, so anything from social media posts to building flyers for our dealers, that's pretty much what I handle. JRP's always been part of the performance side, but with such a demand in the show scene, we had to bring on a suspension company that offered that show look while still being able to perform. So Airlift offered best of both worlds, so I seemed to fit our company really well. So I bought the car in 2018, brand new, bought it as my daily. It's the only car I have. The only car I have room for on my driveway. I mean, I wanted bags my entire life, ever since I got into the automotive scene. Every car that I shot that was really nice, that I actually loved, was all on bags. So just going from the coilover look, which is still nice, just having a car slammed out on the ground is completely different. Like, you can't beat it. I was on coils before. I scraped everywhere because I wanted that slammed look. Now that I have the airless suspension, I can just go up and down as conveniently as I want. It helps that there's 5 presets, so I have a preset basically for rolling height, parked height, getting up on my driveway, and then the higher speed bump, so it works great. If you're from Toronto, you know just how bad the roads are. So I personally hate Toronto streets. I used to never come down here when I was on coilovers, but now with the airlift suspension, it's so much easier. I can avoid potholes, I can avoid speed bumps. Such a stress-free application that I recommend to everybody. What got me into cars was I went with a couple of friends to this meet called Tefa. I didn't really know much about cars. I didn't really have an interest in cars, but I had an interest in photography. Friends took me out, started taking pictures of cars. That sparked my interest, which led up to a career in automotive photography, which led to me wanting to own my own car. Went from 13 Honda Civics to owning this 370Z, so it's been a cool ride so far, so we'll see what's next. Future plans with the vehicle, I definitely want to do the interior, definitely some performance parts down the road. Supercharger would be nice. I mean, the list is forever long. There's never going to be an end to the car, but this is a good start. I'm really happy to be a part of the car scene here in Toronto, especially having half the year with snow. It's really cool to have everyone come together when the time comes to be a part of the car scene, the show scene, the race scene. I've been very fortunate to have many members help me with the car, many sponsors, the brands that we sell, Sonax, Vossen, friends like Diesel Media who help me shoot the car, especially in the summer season, which is really half the year. So we try and get out as much content as we can to build up for the winter season. So it's really cool how we've all come together and built a car community here in Toronto.